Hello everyone, this is Zahra from Sajjad Zahra Makeup by Zahra and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video is about another organic skincare line which is Dubai based by the name of FW Organics. They sent me their PR package about a month ago which consists of 4 wonderful products. So I would be telling about them one by one. I'm extremely sorry, I have been having a sore throat since past many weeks now. This is a much better version of my voice that you're listening to. So during this video, please pardon me for the soreness of the voice. So let's get started. The first product is their Glow Serum. The second product is their Vitamin C Serum. The third product is their Skin Polish Cocoa Scrub, which believe me, whenever you try it on, you would really want to taste it. And last but not the least, their Glow Oakton. So about their Glow Serum. This is a product for dry and combination skin as it's mentioned over it. But I would say this would do very well on all skin types. And if you love to have a dewy finish after you finish your makeup, just take a small amount of it onto your hands, rub it onto your face, massage it, and continue with your makeup, and you'll see after you're finished with your makeup, you will have a natural dewy finish onto your skin. Second product is the Vitamin C Serum. So out of the 4 products, this is my most favorite up till now. It not only hydrates your skin, it smoothens up your skin, it brightens up your complexion, it gives a very supple finish to your skin and reduces the appearance of dark spots very visibly and clearly within a short period of time after you use it. So this is a 10 on 10. The third product is their Skin Polish Cocoa Scrub, and whenever I talk about this, it gives a yummy feeling because the 2 products that is made of, cocoa and honey, are my absolute favorites. It removes tan from your skin, removes all dead skin cells and leaves a radiant glow all over your skin after you scrub with it. So the fourth product is their Glow Oakton. Now this can be used in 2 ways, mixed along with raw milk or yogurt, totally up to you. I would say this is a perfect product for this hot summery weather, although it can be used in any weather and is for all skin types. So this product has a lot of ingredients and it gives an instant cool and refresh to your skin in this summery weather. So this was the review for all 4 products sent to me by FW Organics. Those of you who did miss out, this is a Dubai-based skincare line with all organic products, and I highly recommend it for all of you to give it a try. So good news for all my YouTube followers. There would be a discount code given in the description box down below. All you have to do is go down, check it out, mention the discount code in the description box which is mentioned there, and also show them that you are my YouTube follower to avail the discount code. Also, I would be mentioning all their links from where you can order really very easily. So last but not the least, if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell button for all the latest coming updates, makeup tutorials and much more. So till then, stay tuned, take care and see you in the next video. Ciao ciao!